Welcome to the About page on the Homiletical Theology Project website. My name is David Schnase Jacobson. I'm the preaching professor at Boston University School of Theology and director of the Homiletical Theology Project. What's homiletical theology? I'd like to think it's a way of thinking about a theology of the gospel in context, in dialogue with biblical texts, or in dialogue with situations of ministry. You'll notice that a lot of my work over the years has been dealing with just these two sides of my own research. Things like apocalyptic texts, the difficulty of dealing with a text like Luke Acts in a post-Holocaust sensibility, or even looking at lectionary texts from week to week. All these things have concerned me as a homiletical theologian. The situational side is especially reflected by the book Kairos Preaching, co-authored with my Lutheran colleague Robert Kelly. There we look at how different kinds of situations call forth different understandings of the gospel. What will homiletical theology look like going forward? For me, it will mean at least a couple of things. 2 more new books in the Homiletical Theology Project are coming forth, focused on matters of a theology of the gospel in context and a homiletical theology of promise. Closer to home, I'll be working on a new monograph for Eerdmans, a public theology of word and sacrament called Promising Signs. If things like this interest you, if you could see yourself taking part in a re-envisioning of the field of homiletics in a more thoroughgoing theological key, I hope you'll think about taking part in our PhD concentration in homiletics here at BU. Within our practical theology degree, you too can work with me and study homiletical theology in relationship to your own visions and problems and research interests. Check us out. This may just be a place for you too.